Okay, you guys. So, if you guys can give me tips for like, when I'm turning, because this is probably one of the hardest things that I have problems with, is turning. So, if somebody can give me some tips, every once in a while I can hit it pretty hard and I can spin around these poles really fast. Once I get my momentum going, it's... There we go. Come on. 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 Ah! Alright, so you guys, and I hate this stupid thing on my TV. It just keeps popping up. That dumbass thing. I wish it would go away. Like, why does that stupid thing keep coming up on my TV? If anybody knows the answer to that problem, let me know down in the comments below. But anyways, any tips for spinning faster around these poles, guys? I need to get faster around these poles. There's a way to do it. I know there is. So can you guys help me? Here we go. Come on. 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 Okay, so I just got my computer fixed, and I'm so stoked because now I can use my sim to practice racing. Yeah, you guys, I get to race now. I'm so fucking stoked. Yeah! Woo! I'm fucking going! Yeah! I love it. I love it, guys. I love it. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh my goodness, I'm so glad I got my sim going finally. But yeah, guys, I need some tips on how to turn me faster. How's it turn me faster around? Get me faster around these poles, guys. Faster around these poles. Josh, I know you know how to do it. I see you doing these spins around these things all the time, dude. You're so fast. Shout out to my boy Josh, just watching this video right now. So, I gotta go to work here in a few minutes, guys. But, whoop. Nope. Wow. You guys, I love vilocidrone. Who doesn't love vilocidrone? That's what this is. For anybody that doesn't know this isn't a game. This is a simulator. Well, it could be a game, but this is what everybody uses to practice when it comes to racing drones. And this is, I've got my radio here that I don't fly with this radio. I could fly with it, but yeah, you can use your radio that you fly with. And it's just like the real thing. You practice on the sim, and then you hook up to your quadcopter, and you go out there and fly. And it's just like the real deal. It's very hard to fly these things, guys. For any of you guys that have never flown before, this is so hard. It's like anything else, though. You got to learn how to do things, and then you learn how to do them. So with that being said, guys, please hit that like button, subscribe, and check out my other videos.